Welcome everybody to markets today. And today we had a very volatile market. Today the market was extremely volatile, and I finished in this account with a profit of 23,000 rupees. This is my futures and options account that I primarily use with my traders, and I was also trading stocks where I uh, finished with 467 rupees of profit. I have all kind of traders who are trading with me. People with small capital, people with big capital. It is not only that people with lakhs of capital trade with me. I also have traders who trade with a very small capital of 5-10,000 rupees here. Then we were also trading some nifty together, and here I booked 9,880. So the day finished well with a profit of about 33,000 rupees. And let's analyze the market and what opportunities this market is giving us from here. And I have the fourth straight winning day, 19,000, 14,000, 15,000, and today I finished at 33,000 rupees. If you see, on 29th August, I had a very big day, 1,50,000 in a day, 10 lakh rupees of capital is what I'm using. And here, if I see, then I had two losing days. So one thing is very, very clear that you will have winning days also, and you will have losing days also. And you have to learn how to handle both. So, and today, as usual, it was Reliance that led the rally. So if I look at Reliance again here, let's see if I'm checking out Reliance Industries. Reliance was up 2.8%. And if I put the chart of Reliance together with the chart of the index, you will see very clearly what I'm talking about. Look at, this is Reliance here, and let's look at the index. Look at the rally that went down here almost. If you see on left, it is Nifty, on the right, it is Reliance. And you see, it was Reliance that was leading the rally. And if I'm looking at the market, it was a very tough market to trade. To make money in this kind of market, you will require real skill because you have to patiently wait for your trade to develop and, long and short work on this. So if I won't give you any trades now because the market is finished. And today for the whole day, I was trading with my traders in the live trading room. And that's why in the day I was not available. But now I want to analyze and see how the market is doing. The market is bearish. So the market has started correcting. And now after three drop down days, this is short covering that has happened. What is short covering? When people who have initiated short positions, when they book profits in their trades, it is called short covering. And we saw a lot of short covering coming into the market. And once the short covering finishes, market again starts going in the downward direction. As you see, I am carrying my Nifty till tomorrow. You see, I have two lots and I have October, not September. Long term, I'm a little bearish on this market, at least till 11,200. And I'm trading the trend of the market. So in this market now, there are stocks that will start appearing cheap. As the market will keep on going down, there are stocks that will start becoming attractive. And you cannot wait for the bottom to be reached to buy. So this market every day is creating long opportunity. Every day it is creating short opportunity. For example, one of the popular stocks that a lot of people trade is Maruti. So let's check Maruti. Now, if I look at Maruti, and this is from the start of this year, while Reliance has gone up almost 40% up, this has actually gone nowhere. We see Maruti, it reached such a high level that after that it was very difficult for the growth to be sustained on the upward side. And I won't be very surprised if Maruti keeps on going down, you know, and retraces back till it becomes attractive to buy. See here, as the price keeps on going up and up, it becomes less attractive, not more attractive. Most people think, oh, price has gone up, so it is more attractive now. It's not more attractive. It is less attractive because a thing that was available to you for 4,000 rupees, the same thing is now available to you for 8,000 rupees. So the basic logic of finance says that it has become expensive now, and less people will be willing to buy it. And if I'm looking at the levels, especially for Maruti here, so let's look at Maruti. And a 50% correction is considered a very healthy correction in a stock where it again becomes attractive to buy. And especially if I'm looking at Maruti here, so this is a good level where I would think about buying it again about 6,600 rupees level, is what I'll be looking at. So some more downside in Maruti I am expecting, and I'll be very comfortable trading the short side of Maruti at this moment. I can take it either through the futures route or I can take it through the options route. Both the routes are available, and till the time it drops down, I can continue to make money in this particular stock here. So looks expensive to me. Another stock I was talking about which looks expensive to me is TCS. TCS is still moving around this level, holding this level, same as Reliance, but I'll patiently wait for my opportunities in TCS. Bank Nifty, if I look at Bank Nifty here, we see Bank Nifty again. This is Bank Nifty, and it has not been as weak as Nifty. It has not been as weak as Nifty. There is still strength in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty needs to be watched closely. Stocks like SBI are strong. If I'm looking at SBI, I'm seeing SBI is strong. It has rallied up, and today there was some correction that started in SBI. This is the weekly chart we are looking. If I go to the daily chart, we can see this is the downward side that you will be seeing into it. So maybe if it continues this down move, this can be another attractive level to buy for SBI, 271. So this market has just taken a pause today. Short covering has happened, and tomorrow it would be interesting to see whether it remains sideways, volatile, or it gives you an opportunity again in the downward direction. Another thing is tomorrow is Friday, and in case people in a profit booking mood, you might see further selling coming into the index tomorrow. But I would be more stock specific, looking at overbought stocks to sell and oversold stocks to buy. So take care, work with the proper stop loss, make sure you have not chewed more than you can digest, and stock market is a risky place where you can really lose your money, and make sure you are working with proper risk management methods. So bye bye, thank you, and see you again in one more market session today. One more market session tomorrow or on Monday, whenever I'll have the time. So if you are holding the portfolios, so learn fundamental analysis so that you can analyze at this particular juncture in the market where the P is more than 28, which stock is expensive, worth offloading and booking profit, and which stock you can maybe buy. So see you. Bye-bye.